Yo, hello. How are you guys doing? Just for old time's sake, for the people that know the Prophet shows, can I get a yes, sir? Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. For those of y'all that don't know me, my name is Prophet. I go by many aliases, but for now, just call me Prophet. Just Prophet. It's fine. Um, these three songs that I'm finna do, it's a little bit of a story. Basically, it's just describing the mental process that I've been going through like the past year. Yeah, the past year. There's been a lot of stuff going on. It's like changing, but character development is always good. You know what I'm saying? Progression is not a direction, but it's a movement. So we're gonna start off with the first song, which is called Poetry Man. Pretty simple song. You might remember the chords from somewhere. I kind of took some songs and just remixed them into my own. So if you know it, sing along. If I'm gonna ask my friend Velvet to join me for this song, if she would. Yes, 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 yes. Can I get a hand clap for Miss Velvet as she comes to the stage? Yeah, that's good. That's fine. You know what? I'm gonna let her sing the chorus because I trust her completely with my life. This is also my best friend, if y'all didn't know. This is my bestest friend right here. Female-wise, I got my boys here, but female-wise, this is definitely her. But yeah, just vibe out with me.
You ready? Okay. I desire you. No one else will do. Passionately pursuing you. From my heart, I do.
I do. Yeah. Listen. I live my life between the margins. The poetic justice is causing all of my misfortune. The pain that's in my chest, it got me feeling like Spartans. I'm trying to get her whole heart. I'm aiming, she the target. I'm taking bigger steps like my baby sis. I pass the number, shoot my shot, I'm catching the assist. And I'm just speaking from my heart. You can even call it flowetry. I get butterflies if you say yes, cause you're my poetry. And totally, you understand. Wrote this so you can notice me and take my hand. And maybe we can sow the seed because she crazy. But that's that stuff I like, so I don't mind going half on the baby. Sheesh.
Desire you. No one? No one else will do. What you say? Passionately pursuing you. From my heart, I do. What? Okay, shit. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. I'm thinking about the way you stare into my eyes. I'm thinking I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I hear is visions on replay and sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. They can wish away, but really we don't want to. We just wanna get away and sit right next to you. Yeah, I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Okay, I want you around. You better sing, sir. I'm gonna get his back because he's singing over here. Nah, I'm gonna let him sing because he sing for real.
I desire you. No one else will do. passionately pursuing you from my heart. I do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Clap it up for my girl Velvet. Clap it up. Yeah, that's vibes. I love that song. Huh? I don't know. I really don't have vocals. I can just hold a note. You know what I'm saying? And when you hang around singers enough, you pick up on it. It's kind of part of the job. For those of y'all that don't know, I'm a jack of many trades, recording engineer, music producer, songwriter, artist, singer, musician. For those of y'all that call my last tiny desk, I actually play drums most of the time. Partner in rhyme, my boy Blitz. I have several partners in rhyme. This is the best one so far. So don't crown me. But the next song was originally called "The Realization," which is basically just like a point in my life when I, realized basically you can't control a lot of things that go on in life. After a conversation I had with Mr. Tolbert, because I was having a lot of my problems are kind of like female problems. We're not going to speak on it. After having a conversation with Tolbert one day in his office, he basically taught me about, the law of attraction. And, how basically we have no control over things that don't apply to us. So after I heard that, I changed the name of the song to Law of Attraction, and I finished out writing it. No slugs, but if you know the story, you know what's up. But you'll hear a lot of things that went on in this song. So yeah, that's the next song. You might find a familiar chorus in it too. So yeah. Speaking of vocals, Yeah. Hey. Heart been broke so many times, don't know what to believe. Realize that it's my fault, my heart is on my sleeve. To drown out the pain inside of the rain, so I just roll some trees. But I found a new way and I'm starting today, so this is my plan B. I put my heart on ice. Heart on ice. Heart on ice. Heart on ice. I put my heart on ice. Heart on ice. To drown out the pain inside of the rain, I put my, Too many trials and tribulations in the field. They don't know depression really real. They don't know the future. They don't know the faces that you will. In the back of your pocket, killers in the wind, just watch them. Where were you when I was at the bottom? All of that gossip, crying in the kitchen, just sobbing. All because she wasn't honest, swimming in toxins, real talk. Layers of sadness peel off. I'll be having my ups and downs like the letter M. Pain inside like sediment. Suicide like sheesh. Relevant as I ever been. God took the place that she left me in. My heart on ice, I can't let you in because you always want to say you want a good man. But when it come to love, you never pick the good man. When it come to love, you never pick the one that can love you right. But I should trust you, right? After all of the stuff that we did that night, now you moved on into a better life. And now you moved on unto another man. And I ain't did nothing but love you, right? But I'm wrong. See the blame that you toss. Feel the pain in these songs. Feel the pain in this verse. Feel the hurt in these words. Wallow my heart, no more hurt. Now I'm okay with you leaving. See the scars of what's bleeding. I see success from you leaving. I'm left alone from you cheating, but I put my heart back in the freezer. Broke so many times, don't know what to believe. Realize that it's my fault, my heart is on my sleeve. To drown out the pain inside of the rain, so I just roll some trees. But I found a new way and I'm starting today, so I put my heart on ice. Heart on ice. Heart on ice. Heart on ice. I put my heart on ice. Heart on ice. To drown out the pain inside of the rain, I put my, listen, so I said heart on ice. I put my heart on ice. I put my heart on ice. I put my heart on ice. Bring me in. I put my heart on ice. I put my heart on ice. Put my heart on ice. To drown out the pain inside of the rain, I put my heart on ice, ice, Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That was a lot of lyrics at once, so I ain't mean to make y'all feel some type of way, but I mean, we've all been in a situation before, you know, where it didn't end up the way you wanted it to be, and it just made you feel bad. You know, sometimes you feel like it's your fault, but at the end of the day, you have to realize that shit happens. And at the end of the day, bro, as long as you're okay with yourself, then you'll always feel good. That's actually the name of this next song. I feel good, because you just have to realize that once you put your heart on ice, you can't be cold no more. Hello. I feel good. So basically, this song is just about after the realization, you know, I went through a kind of depression part, and then I realized that, you know, it's not my fault that this situation happened. All I can do is be today than I was yesterday. Also, this is also a familiar, you know, so, you know. Yeah, go ahead, show me something, Mr. T. Okay, yeah. All right, this is a participation song. So when I sing something, I need y'all to sing it next. It's gonna be pretty groovy. Here we go. I said, I feel good. I said, I feel good. I said, I feel good. 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 I said, I feel good. I'm just trying to feel good, talking soulfully. Even if my lungs is what COVID be, I be writing cause the time God spoke to me, but socially I distance my poetry. Yeah, the prophet unknowingly wrote the flow that poke every ovary and choke the brokenness out of diplomacy and make sure y'all fall like October beat. Girls like, it's the soul for me. Did you hear about the bars that he wrote for me? Oh my God, I just want him to notice me. I didn't want him back then, but the moment he blew up, I totally wanted him to be all on the roast for me. I know I used to call him ugly, but Gregory, he got my heart even sexually. Hold up, is that accurate? Now you wanna love me passionate, graphic, it gets how immaculate. Please jog my memory like mattress. Dallas, I roam, please do not call my iPhone. When I blow up, please keep up what you was on. Do not love me, now you wrong. Listen to the words in these songs, it's about how I feel like right now. I'm happy on my own, you can stop right now. Living my life, you can stop, pipe down. I'm happy on my own, you can stop right now. Loving myself, doing it better, only for my health. Peep how the wealth starting to trickle on in. I'm praising out loud, but I'm moving in stealth. I said, I feel good. 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 Yes, sir. I want to hear that again. Go ahead, go again. Yeah, Doc. Keep going, keep going. Go again. I need another one. I need another one. I'ma just let him keep going, cause he going stupid. One last time, I said I feel good. 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 Listen, I put my heart on ice, and now I feel good. I put my heart on ice, and now I feel good. Thank y'all so much. Thank you. thought I was over? You thought I was done? Nah. Time to bring up my partner in rhyme.